Welcome back to Cooking with Kids. Today we are back for another episode of the taste testing series. Today we are going to be trying jackfruit. I don't know if some of you guys have heard of it, but it is really good. I've had it before, but I thought I'd do a little video about it. So we were in Whole Foods and I saw jackfruit. Like, we got to get at least half. So we got half because they're big. They're heavy and they're big. So we got half and we have a whole bunch of the fruit, and then you can cook the rest of it as well. But I thought I would try it, describe it, and tell you guys some facts about it. So we got to try it. Actually, we got to smell it because it smells good, in my opinion. In my opinion, it smells good. It tastes good. We like to buy the slightly, tiny bit ripe ones because they're really good for cooking. So the fruit isn't going to be as sweet as it would normally be because it's not totally ripe, but I'm still going to try it anyway. So really good. Really good. I'm going to be describing it as when it's a little bit ripe. So it's pretty sweet. I mean, it's not pretty sweet. It has a sweet tone. A tiny tart tone. Kind of tastes like not totally ripe honeydew. I don't know, maybe it's just me. So, like I said, I thought I could read some facts about jackfruit while eating it and confirming those facts. So I have an article pulled up here. I'll put the article link in the description. So the jackfruit, also known as jack tree, fene, jackfruit, it's spelled differently. It's instead of Jack, it's Jak fruit, or sometimes simply Jack or Jack, Jack or Jak is a type of tropical fruit. Okay. This fruit is native to the rainforests of the Western Ghats of India. Okay. It's gonna be lunch. The jackfruit spread early on to other parts of India, Southeast Asia, the East Indies, and ultimately the Philippines. It is often planted in Central and Eastern Africa and is fairly popular in Brazil and Suriname. Okay. The picture here that they have, we'll put a little screenshot of that up near me. The screenshot that they have, the fruit are way yellower. Obviously it's more ripe, but that does not look ripe at all. That looks less ripe than ours. I'm starting to wonder if this photo is photoshopped. Anyway, the jackfruit is adapted to humid tropical and near tropical climates. Okay, mature trees, I gotta take another bite, have survived temperatures of about 3 degrees Celsius or 27 degrees Fahrenheit. That's cold. In southern Florida, okay. But these were frozen to large limbs. Young trees are likely to be killed at temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a very long-lived tree and generally with a lifespan of 60 to 70 years. Whoa. That's a long lifespan. Joshua trees there are many other trees that have a bigger lifespan, but it's a big lifespan. It grows to an enormous size, up to 30 meters, almost 100 feet. Whoa. We actually have some jackfruit plants growing. And we're hoping to keep it short. Like we're gonna kind of trim it short. So that way it produces smaller fruits. So it's almost 30 meters or 100 feet high, or up to 30 meters and almost 100 feet high, and 80 to 200 centimeters, 2.6 to 6.5 feet in diameter. The crown is dense and conical in young trees, becoming rounded or spreading in the older trees. Okay. The leaves are oblong, oval, or elliptic in form. I can confirm that. We have some growing. 10 to 15 centimeters in length. Okay. Leathery. Okay. Glossy. Yes. And deep green in color. Yeah. Juvenile leaves are lobed, which I guess means that they have like more than one part. That's happened to one of our well, actually a couple of our leaves on a couple of our plants. Well, we only have 3, so 2. The leaves have kind of gone like like it looks like a little mountain or valley. If anyone knows anything about that, let me know. The male and female flowers are born in separate flower heads. Male flower heads are on new wood among the leaves or above the female. They're swollen oblong from 2.5 to 10 centimeters, 1 to 4 inches, long and up to an inch wide at the widest part. Okay. Oh, wow. Those are big flowers. Those are really big flowers. Whoa. Well, maybe not that big, but they kind of look big in the picture up close. A mature jackfruit tree can produce about 100 to 200 fruits in a year. That would be awesome if they grow here. That would be really nice. I'd be eating a lot of jackfruit. But obviously, if it's smaller, I'll produce smaller ones and probably less, which is fine. I'm not going to need 100 to 200 fruits in a year. But that would be awesome, but I don't think I could eat all that. Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world. Okay. Wow. Taking that information in while eating it. Not eating the information, eating the fruit. Reaching 36 kilograms, 80 pounds in weight, and up to 9 centimeters, 36 inches long, and 50 centimeters, 20 inches in diameter. That's heavy. Yeah, I know I don't seem like I'm reacting to the information, but a lot of times when I read it and then I take in the information instead of the other way around. It kind of just depends. I want to see if I can get through like one sentence or one paragraph without taking a bite. The exterior of the compound fruit is green or yellow when ripe. I thought it was brown when ripe. The interior consists of large edible bulbs of yellow banana-flavored flesh. Banana-flavored? Banana-flavored? Maybe a tiny bit. Kind of tastes like I said, melon or honeydew. Everyone's taste buds are different. What can I say? Anyway, next. When fully ripe, the unopened jackfruit emits a strong, disagreeable odor resembling that of decayed onions. I mean, I guess it could be disagreeable. I mean, I'm just smelling the fruit itself, but for me, whenever I smell a whole fruit or like cut in half, it smells good. Well, the pulp of the open fruit smells of pineapple and banana. I don't think banana has a smell, but sure, it smells like pineapple. Kind of tastes like pineapple a little bit too. The seed is 1.9 to 3.8 centimeters, 3/4 to 1.5 inch. That's true. Long and 1.3 to 1.9 centimeters, half to 3/4 inch thick, and is white and crisp within. Okay. There may be 100 or up to 500 seeds in a single fruit. I can agree with that. There are a lot. They're not a lot of seeds, but good amount. See, this is what I've been talking about. The greenish unripe fruit is cooked as a vegetable, and the ripened fruit is eaten fresh for the sweetly acid but insipid pulp surrounding the seeds. Okay, that's true. I had to kind of take in that information. The ripened fruit is also used to make a variety of dishes, including custards, cakes, ice cream, or mixed with shaved ice, as teler in Indonesia or halo-halo in the Philippines. Okay, that's cool. The seeds from ripe fruits are edible. Yes, I know that. They are. And are said to have a milky, sweet taste, often compared to Brazil nuts. Sure. I mean, maybe. I haven't had the seeds in a while. Really just the last time we had jackfruit, which was a little while ago besides this. We're thinking of roasting the seeds this time, seeing how that goes. There are 95 calories in 100 grams, 3.5 ounces of jackfruit. Okay. Good to know. I might have already had that already. Okay, there's not much left. There's not much left. If I can get through it without chewing anymore, we'll be okay. I'm just annoyed at myself right now. I'm gonna put the bowl to the side because otherwise I'm never gonna get through this whole area. Jackfruit is rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. Okay. It is a very good source of vitamin A and B, complex vitamins, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Okay, that's good. The fruit is also a good source. The fruit is also a good source of minerals. I'm wondering if that's a typo or it's on purpose grammar that I'm not understanding. Such as iron, magnesium, potassium, and manganese as well. I have not heard of the last one before. The health benefits of jackfruit include healthy hair and good eyesight. I need that. I need good eyesight. I wear glasses. You guys have not seen me in glasses and maybe never will. I don't know. Sometimes I need it for cooking videos if I'm looking at something far away. I can't see that well far away. Anyway. I had to grab another one. I literally just grabbed it without even realizing. Prevents indigestion, prevents anemia, reduce inflammation, heart health, strengthen immune system, fights wrinkles. I don't think I'm getting those anytime soon, but okay. It also helps in curing mental stress and skin diseases. Okay. The word jackfruit comes from Portuguese jaca, which in turn is derived from the Malayalam language term chaka. Okay. The common English name jackfruit was used by physician and naturalist Garcia de Orta in his 1563 book. Whoa, that's old. Coloquios dos simples y drogas. I'm taking Spanish, but I can't say this. I'm gonna go with drogas da India. Okay, I'm not even sure if that's Spanish. Anyway, archaeological findings in India have revealed that jackfruit was cultivated in India 3,000 to 6,000 years ago. Wow. Jackfruit is the national fruit of Bangladesh. Yay! National fruit. In Brazil, the jackfruit can become an invasive species, as in Brazil's Tehuca, I'll go with Tehuca Forest National Park in Rio de Janeiro. Maybe Tijuca then. The Tijuca is mostly an artificial secondary forest whose planting began around the mid-19th century. Jackfruit trees have been a part of the park's flora since it was founded. Cool. That is cool. So that's all the facts that I have from the page. Again, I'll put the page in the description. And again, let me know if you like this new series. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to the channel or have not done so, if you like, please like and subscribe, as I really appreciate it. And I will see you on next time.